Your grandma calls you because her PC won't start. Don't rush to her house.
Has it ever happened to you that a friend or family member calls you desperately because their computer isn't working? And you're miles away? Don't worry. Today we're going to show you how you can control that PC from yours in seconds without installing anything strange. No tricks, using an official Windows tool that very few know about. Ready to discover it?
Hey guys, let's get to the point. Today we have a tutorial video, a remake, yes, from the old school, and digging into the chest of memories regarding what is Microsoft's Quick Assist. That assistance which, well, for many not even, well, I don't know if it doesn't quite convince them, or, well, they hadn't realized it existed since Windows 10. Microsoft has implemented a solution to assist, well, friends, family, clients in a way that could be said to be easier, right? I know that we also have an old version which is RDP, Microsoft's own remote desktop. However, it is a system that requires certain steps and some basic intermediate knowledge to be able to deploy an RDP, as long as you are remotely on another network over the internet and other little things. If it's a local network, well, it's simply easier to implement, right? Because you don't have to deal with public IP issues or anything like that. All right. Then I want you to see, now I have a mess here on my desk. Let's move on to it. We're here now. Let's look here. Quick Assist. As I said, it's going to be an old school tutorial because this assistance has been around for years. I'm already deploying it here to be able to assist and help, in this case, my family member who is on the other side of the world. Ready? Here, to get help, I need a code that they send me. If I want to help that person, I just have to click on Help Someone. Obviously, it will ask us for an email address. Let's ease ourselves. Perfect. Here it tells us, and this is the code that I have to pass to my family member or my client. It's that simple. This code expires in 10 minutes. So you have 10 minutes to send it to them, so that obviously they can give us access to their computer. I'm going to send it to them and tell them to do exactly as I did. Go to search, Quick Assistance, and then type or copy and paste the code that I'm sending you immediately via WhatsApp to their device.
Hello, community. Well, Victor, I'm going to open my Quick Assist directly from my computer. All right, I'm opening the Quick Assist to paste the code you just sent me. This way we can have that interactivity and remote access. And see, community, that this really works. We are doing it on 2 different systems. You will assist me from a Windows in Spanish 23H2, and I am on a Windows 11 24H2 build. Also, in English. Very well, Victor. I'm pasting the code here, and we're going to give you access. Let's wait for them to connect. How's it going on your side?
There, it's connected. Did you all see? I'm already connecting to the device I told Sol to give me right now. Access. Let's see there. It tells me we're waiting for another person to accept. Sol, please accept.
Excellent. I just got the notification that you're going to connect to my computer. I'm going to accept the terms and give you access.
I am on my computer and on the machine I set up for Sol. As I told you, it's managed by an operator API. Here, without any problem. I can record the editing, create a script of what we're going to do. I can send messages directly from here, from the bar we have here, or rather, she can send me assistance messages. Sol, can you send an assistance message on, please?
Very well, Victor. Now, as you said, I'm going to send you a message so they can see that the chat interactivity works. This way, if it were a family member or client, you can interact with them to provide consulting or remote support.
And well, it will be arriving to me in the little window. Your message. This way we can have that interactivity if it's a client or if it were a client of ours in some way, or a family member who requires that assistance. I imagine that later on, they will be adding little things not just related to messaging. A video call would be very good, and well, they are gradually improving the quick distance. I honestly thought they were going to remove it, but we see that they are not. Also, if the son just wanted to learn from me, I would just indicate that, you know what, I'm going to select right now. What is my pencil to tell you to click directly here, right? I select only with what am I going to mark with red, with yellow, okay? I select the profile. And once I select, we can now make different annotations, okay? So that, well, Sol can also see it from the other side, right? Okay, or the instructions in any case. You know what? I want you to click here on the button. Start, please, Sol.
Perfect, Victor. Very well. There, opening the start button.
And here I'm going to click on delete. Ready. Okay. Exit annotation mode. And we have other interesting things. We will be able to take what is, I tell you, the recording or select X screen from where we were connected, all the monitors, if there is more than one. There we just see that it only has one. I click here to exit. We will be able to take the actual size of the screen, whether it's 1080, 4K, 720, to have a more affordable resolution. And, well, here we have everything to be able to assist it. From teaching it ourselves to execute the work, as well as specifically that manipulate their computer so that obviously we can manipulate it. So can you minimize the quick stay message tray, please?
Okay, Victor, I'm going to minimize the quick assist in the message section.
Very well. Did you see? It's super simple, guys. So in that way, we have control of our assistant. It comes more complete now. You just saw it, really. Yes. Here I am going to click on request control, because if you notice, and if I click directly on any of Sol's icons on their machine, I can't, well, directly take care of it. So I'm going to say, I just need control.
Perfect, Victor. I can give you direct access to my computer so you can take control. Let me know if you can already access or manipulate it.
She can cancel the control whenever she wishes. Likewise, our family member, this will minimize it. On my side now, I can manipulate the computer however I want. Super cool, right? Well, I hope this video really helps you, serves you. Well, as I said, it's a remake. I've been brought back from the light of memories, and now Windows Quick Access has more features. And if you noticed, of course, it's not that my voice is higher pitched. I mean, guys, I got terribly sick with a throat issue 20 days ago, and I haven't been able to recover. My voice is just coming out but it's really been a struggle. I recovered and then practically affected my vocal cords again, right? But well, let's hope that this week it gets better. That's why it was a short tutorial. Remember that we have interactive streaming. We've revolutionized and reinvented the way of doing live streams. We have an appointment every last Friday of each month, and today I bring you something emblematic. If you don't know what interactive live streams are, I explained it in a super video along with the boss in a 1-minute short, where I invite you because it's already practically our second live stream that we would be covering for the entire community. Thank you for all that support. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for sharing and spreading the materials, guys, since this space is yours more than mine. It's for you and only for you. Okay, a hug. See you. Very well. So, let's go.
Thank you very much, Victor. Take care of yourself too. I hope you recover soon and your voice returns to being perfect. Cheer up.